Are you tired of going through the tedious process of copying and pasting rows in Excel to move them around? Well, you don't have to. Excel offers a simple and quick way to move rows with just a few clicks. Here's an Excel hack to help you do it. First, select the row you want to move. Then, position the cursor on the row border until you see the cross arrow pointer. Finally, use the left mouse button to drag and drop the row to its new position. There you have it. Easy and quick. But wait, there's more. You can also move the same way columns by selecting the desired column, positioning the cursor on the column border, and then dragging and dropping the column to its new location. And here's a quicker method to move any data in Excel. Simply highlight the cells you want to move, grab the border anywhere around the outside, and drag and drop it where you want it to go. But be cautious. If you try to move a row to a place where another row already exists, a warning will be displayed. If you want to know how to move a row without deleting the original one, check out the next Excel tutorial video. So, there you have it. A simple and efficient way to move rows, columns, or any cells in Excel. Give it a try and make your life easier. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.